Mula Zurich hanggang Interlaken. Ilang oras? 1.5 hour? Yan, mula Zurich Airport hanggang dito. Look at that. Look at the view. Puro bundok pala to. Nagtataas ang bundok. Tapos doon na nag-i-yellow na. Tingnan natin yan. Ay, may mga baboy. Ano yun? Baka?
Dogs.
It's a cow?
Dogs.
Dogs?
You're gonna live here?
Ayan na. White Mountain.
That's a snowy mountain.
Yan. Baka pala yun. Ayan, mula Israel. Ayan, nandito kami sa kasulok-sulukan ng Switzerland. Did you take a picture, Ethan?
Yeah.
Grabe, oh. May mga bahay-bahay dyan, oh. Isa sa mga bahay dito, titirahan namin. Look at the house. Nag-iisa siya doon. Restaurant pa pala yan.
Hello?
Hello?
Yan.
Si Kwan?
See? Yan.
Si Cyril.
Hi, Shani. Hi, yeah. Yeah, we're okay. It's a long drive.
Then turn left onto Frutigenstrasse.
Okay, perfect. Do you already know about what time you will arrive?
Yes, maybe in 30 minutes because there was a traffic.
30 minutes? Ano ba?
Okay, traffic jam. I see.
Continue on Hauptstrasse for 1
Thank
kilometer.
you. We're on the way now.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So, see you later.
See you.
Thank you so much.